Okay, ready? Thank you, everybody. Are you gonna sing? Is everybody gonna sing?
Is everybody gonna sing?
Alright.
We lit the cake. You, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Everett. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Hey! There you go. There you go. There you go.
1, 2, 3.
Get your head out of the way, Big Daddy. Get your head out of the way.
Whoa!
Okay, that was like really good.
Let's see. There's the birthday boy. Arr.
Let him stick his finger in it.
Go for it.
Put your finger in there. Here.
Yeah, really. What is that?
Hey!
He says, love that sugar.
Love that sugar. Who doesn't love sugar, really? Oh.
Stick your finger.
Oh, we got the second culprit.
He can't. Don't give it to him because it has peanuts in it.
Yeah, it's alright. Alright, so how should I slice this, huh?
He can't have any of this cake.
No, he can't. Unfortunately. For Alex? Yes, please. Yes, thank you. Okay,
He's getting dessert.
Oh, he'll have darling. Come here. No more. We're gonna get cake. Come here. Do you want to give her like a like that? Like that? This big one? No. You're saying that for her paper.
Why don't I help you pass out the cake?
Okay.
So if you can hand me those cake pieces.
Do we have your forks?
Do we have forks?
No.
We're
Yes.
gonna need some forks.
Okay, I think you can make some. Okay, got it?
Hey, Alex, do you want to say thank you? Because she was really trying to help you out.
You know, he won't eat real food, but he'll eat paper. He'll eat paper.
Morgan, do you mind handing me those plates? Thank you. Okay. Oh, well prepared.
You gonna have some cake?
Thank you.
Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. You ready for cake?
Cake.